Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I got this pair is Nike Air Force One pattern noise 2.0, and this pair is the updated version. Updated is the new version. Also, it's the best version here. If you want to couple the best quality sneakers with the best price, please check out my link beyondshop.ru. And now we have Black Friday sale here. If you get more orders, can get more discount. Please don't hesitate if you have any orders to place. Now you can have a look of this one. This is the white color outside there, and also this piece very special. Have another views of to take off the outside there. On the shoe top, got the flowers, red lace tape, the white laces. On the front, got the holes. On the body inner side, got black Nike shoes. On the midsole, got black painting. On the side here is the same, black Nike shoes. For the white color, it's very good to match colors. And all the shoes got the tag, got the cost, lace lock. Also another extra shoelace is the black one. So would you like this one? If you want, please check out on my website. You can check more details there, and also can contact us if you have any more questions. Thanks for seeing. See you next video. Bye bye.